No, I'm happy with him being married and me being happy. I'm very happy with that.
I just told Nari Hira that when we met first time, it might have been mentioned in the magazine, that we met in the train while I was coming from Patna to Pune to join FTII, and she was coming to Mumbai from after attending a marriage in Patna. And her mother-in-law had scolded her, so she was crying, and I was leaving my home, my mother, my family, first time, so I was crying. Now we are married for 35 years. We have got 3 children, Love Sinha, Kush Sinha and Sonakshi Sinha. But character is the same. She is crying and I am crying. There is no change. 35 years.
It should be the other way. No? She should be happy, you should be crying. Because she looks very happy to me and I'm sure that you are very happy internally. But sir, tomorrow I guess is your 35th anniversary. Is it true?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. So
That's what she
the
just
news was
confirmed me.
right.
She has just confirmed me. Yeah, tomorrow.
It is your 35th anniversary tomorrow, and how 35 years of long journey, being happy.
There couldn't be a better anniversary than having people like you over here with this society cover, and that too in the Meghna office. It's a great day, great occasion for us. As far as the anniversary in true sense is concerned, I would say now we leave it to our children to give us a surprise or manage or tomorrow. But so far we haven't got any hint. I think even my children have got bored.
I hope you planned something.
I didn't have any hint.
But ma'am, is there any plan? Is he taking for a romantic dinner? Is he organizing like
Romantic dinner, I am told that first casualty after marriage is romance.
casualty? Okay, you listen to his words carefully.
So anyway, if she wants to take me out anywhere, it's all for her. Since last 1 week, I'm stationed सारा हंगामा शोर शराबा तमाम ड्रामा छोड़ के I'm here बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि मैं इनके यहाँ बैठा हुआ हूँ इनकी चरणों में बैठा हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे 1 हफ्ते से और अब जैसा कहेंगी
चरणों में
चरणों में, can you believe that?
चरणों में ज़्यादा हो गया कम कर दूँ
ज़्यादा हो गया
तो यहाँ बैठा हुआ हूँ जो कहेंगे करूँगा लेकिन हाँ अभी अच्छा तो लगता है कि
तो फिर आप ही सरप्राइज बता दीजिए कुछ सरप्राइज है आप बच्चों पे क्यों छोड़ रहे हैं कुछ तो सरप्राइज आपको देना चाहिए दीदी के लिए
हाँ जो सरप्राइज मैं दूंगा अब इनके लिए रूटीन हो चुका है अभी जाकर बताता हूँ घर पे पहले मैं ये मेरे राह पे चलती थी और मैं यू कैन से कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप था तो मैं लीड करता था लेकिन अब जो है टेल वैगिंग द डॉग हो गया है अब ये आगे हैं और मैं पीछे जो बोलती है मैं करता हूँ बिकॉज हर प्रायोरिटीज हैव चेंज ये होता है मैरिज के बाद नारी कि आफ्टर 25 ईयर्स 35 ईयर्स द प्रायोरिटीज चेंज हो जाते हैं अब जहाँ पहले मैं था हस्बैंड शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा अब वो ख़त्म हो गया अब शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा का प्रायोरिटी नंबर 4 है फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है लव सिन्हा देन कुश सिन्हा देन सोनाक्षी सिन्हा लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट और अब तरुणा सिन्हा ये अब प्रायोरिटी नंबर 5 ओके
Okay, but ma'am, you have to tell me, do you, it's been a long journey, it's very, but how does it feel as a woman, you know, because I'm sure that sir is very flamboyant with his nature also. He's managing and juggling in both the arenas so well, whether it is politics or you know, acting as a career. How is he as a husband when he comes back home?
All I can say, he's a damn lucky guy to get a wife like me.
I like the spirit, I like the spirit.
35 years is a long, long time. And I guess it's the generation, you know, like we were taught tolerance, we were taught patience. And every time you hear the mother saying that, लड़की एक बार शादी करके जाती है, then there is no coming back. तुम जाओ वहाँ और वहीं से जाओ. So that's what we were taught, you know, our parents' thoughts were like that. But I guess with every generation it changes, children grow up, they learn according to their generations, but thankfully we have been blessed and very lucky with wonderful children who have actually taken up what we have taught them. संस्कार अच्छे हमने डालने की पूरी कोशिश की and I'm happy that my children have really done it.
Yes, I think
थोड़ा
it's
थोड़ा सा हस्बैंड के बारे में भी।
Actually, sir, मैंने husband के बारे में
The
पूछा था,
husband
बच्चों
knows.
पे transfer हो गया.
Everybody knows. The husband, everybody knows.
Okay.
And of course, credit goes to him also for, you know, actually tapering down himself. What's in our
Well, we will keep the chatting continue,
Yes.
ma'am. Sir, I am here opening the entire question answer session for the media who's present here with us. Please shoot your questions. They are here to answer all your queries. Go on. If you feel, raise your hand so it becomes a little easier for us to.
Hello sir, I'm Pooja from Starbucks. I'd like to ask you, what kind of a father are you? I mean, are you very protective, very strict, or are you open? Can Sonakshi discuss boys and love issues with you?
But don't you think you should ask Love about this? Because he must think.
Yeah.